How to use the Netflix Game Controller app. First, install the app. On iPhone or iPad, install the Netflix Game Controller app from the App Store. On Android, you don't need a separate controller app, just a regular Netflix app. Second, open a supported Netflix game. You can launch a supported game on your smart TV in the Netflix app or at netflix.com in your web browser. Third, scan the QR code. When the game starts, a QR code appears. Open your phone's camera, scan the QR code. Then follow the prompt to connect your phone as the controller. Fourth, start playing. Once connected, your TV or browser displays the game. Your phone becomes the controller with touch controls such as buttons, swipes, steering, typing, or drawing, depending on the game. So I just want to mention that you don't need to be signed into the same Netflix account on the phone that's acting as a controller. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.